control of these guys, too?
They're babies! They don't listen to anyone!
Yeah, just like us.
This is very dangerous! Some might suggest this is poorly conceived.
Well, it's a good thing that I never listened.
Wow! So, what is your plan?
Get Toothless back and kick Drago's...
Heads up!
And that thing.
Ah!